Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the app of Qwenlm on your Android phone. I'm going to show you how you can access the Qwenlm AI. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet. And as of now, the mobile phone app of Qwenlm AI is not available yet. It might be available soon, but for now, you cannot download the app for Qwenlm. But the alternative way to access this is you can simply go to your preferred web browser, tap on the search bar and search for Qwenlm AI. In the search results, you'll find different results. Look for the link with chat.qwenlm AI and open the website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can easily create a new account with your Google account or your email address, and you'll see this kind of interface. Now you can ask anything to this AI. So that's how you can easily access Qwenlm AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.